Hi guys, my name's Dave McCormack. I'm Area Sales Manager Cami Ireland, covering Midlands, Dublin and surrounding counties. Today we're at day 3 of the IFSEC International Security Show, and I just wanted to talk to you about some of our new range of entry panels. On display here we have the new LHS entry panel. It comes in 3 versions, audio and 2 video panels. On display here we have surface and flush mounted entry panels. All panels on display are manufactured from a vandal-resistant material SMAC with an impact rating of IK09. All panels on display today are in 1-button format but can be expanded up to a maximum of 4 buttons. The LHS Plus entry panel comes in addition with a proximity reader. Once presented with a fob, you can gain access to the site. In addition, it also comes with an inbuilt Bluetooth selector, which allows up to 40 users to pair to the device. By downloading the Cami Bluetooth app, it allows the user then to pair their device to the entry panel. Once the user has Bluetooth enabled, enters the range of the selector, it will send an open command. If you are interested in finding out more about the range of products we have on offer with Cami, then please come down to the stand today to discuss more. Thank you.